Hello guys, this is Scarlet. In today's video, I'm gonna raid the village. And as you can see, it's at level 5 town hall. And that's where I'm gonna put one of the giants here. And after that, I'm gonna put my archers here to support the giant. While distracting the mortar. As you can see guys, the giants are taking care of the last defenses. Let's see, the base is really destroyed with all defenses through the mortar, but it is destroyed too much. And now after that, we don't have our first fire. I don't know where, but I think if we got 50%, that's why we got our first fire, and our second fire will be the household itself, because it's a very proper defense. As you can see, we are finally finishing the raid for our for this video. Welcome to Skylight Gaming. That's why, as you can see, I'm finally finishing this base once and for all. And our last building of the base is the here. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's a vault, I think. And that's how we finish our first base. And we got our star bonus. Let's have a screenshot for the moment. And that's all. As you can see, I'm reading the chat. Good luck, bro. Thank you, ZK Yosef. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.